Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create polls on WhatsApp Business. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! A WhatsApp poll is a feature that enables users to create questions with multiple answer options within the chat. Participants can choose their favorite option and see the result immediately in real time. This feature is especially useful for organizing events, making group decisions, and collecting real-time answers in quick and organized manner. And what if you want to create WhatsApp poll on WhatsApp Business? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp Business app. Now you can choose the contact that you want to send the WhatsApp poll. We'll choose this one for the example. Now you can just tap on the clip icon on here, paper clip icon on here, and you'll see there's so much option. And you can see there is a pool. You can just tap on that. You can ask question on here. For the example, I will try to create pool like this. Now you can add the options for the example. Like this, you can add more than 2 options. You can also allow multiple answer on the poll, so people they can answer more than one. But if you only allow one answer, you can just turn off the toggle on here. Now you can just tap on send in here. Here you go. Let's see from the recipients. Here's the result. They can just answer the poll like this, and you'll receive the answer on here. You can just view on votes to see how much votes you get. So that is how to create polls on WhatsApp Business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.